Before we go further to discuss Beyond Meat, remember our content here for educational purposes, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, why the price is going down for Beyond Meat? Everybody asking this question. First of all, we got the earnings, and the earnings were down. We got the selling pressure happened there around the 150, and we got the third seller, I think. Here we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 seller happened around earnings. That's why we pulled back. Now we have another pullback because we broke this current support that we discussed before or yesterday around the 115. So what's the game plan for now? Where are we gonna go? Because we're still kind of inside this channel that's trending down and down. Let me just adjust it like that. Yes, the channel have to be adjusted exactly because we don't break the channel technically. Yeah, as you can see here, the channel didn't, yeah, we didn't break it yet. You see, still going down. So what we should expect now? We got one level, guys, one level, for my opinion, that we should watch out for, because if we broke it, would be really bad for Beyond Meat, is around the 88, which is a critical zone for Beyond Meat to test. Right now, we are 4%, so we got another 16% or 17% that we might pull back down toward this level, and now the current resistance will turn toward 115. But I'm gonna make the mix. The major resistance is around the 148, for my opinion, because even if we reverse here from this level, we need to do at least 40% to squeeze. If we pull back here from the 88, we might do 68. The other news that I think made the price go down for Beyond Meat is Beyond Meat has cut its workforce by 44 employees in 2025 and suspended operation in China, resulting in extra reduction of 20 employees. So a lot of people think about this fundamental news as a warning sign for weakness for Beyond Meat performance. However, some stocks do that and change. At least it depends on the CEO. It depends on the objective and the goal or the big picture for the company. Because sometimes we have company cut the force, and after that we got a huge jump for the revenue and the earnings in the coming year. So this is might happen Beyond Meat. For the technical, as we said, as long as we hold here the 88, technically we're still up in the year almost 50%. Let me just check here if we see the beginning of this year. I think 2024 September. So I think yes. Let me just go back in time. Yeah, 2024. So December, January, yes. So technically we were around the $3.40 last year. Yes, $3.40, where we hit the almost the 8. So yeah, $3.33. This is if we want to end up in a green in this year, we have to go toward the $3.33. But for now, we have to concern ourselves with the 88 cent, guys. 88 cent is the main support that we should hold in order to have a reversal for Beyond Meat and go toward 150, and after that 175, and the $2.11 after that, where we're gonna have the major squeeze for Beyond Meat. Okay, now let's see the question from here. Yeah, CYPH, keep it on the list. I will check it, of course. Okay, CYPH. CYPH. What else we got here? On, I think already discussed it before. Okay, we got two stocks that we should watch. CYBH, nothing much. Yeah, I don't like it, man. CYBH. On 4% have double top and pullback. Is light on volume, but it look okay if we have the 41. But yeah, CMD broke the support, guys, now. And so I'm gonna adjust the support here. Yeah, it worked the support. I'm gonna adjust the support and resistance later on for SGBX and CMD, the main event for today. MVVE, guys, we have a huge reversal for MVVE. Wow, really good reversal. Good catch, Norma. I think Norma said she want to buy. Denise, he said he thinking about buying NVVE now. I don't know if you bought Denise. You don't have to think in trading. You have to act. You have to look at LPTX. Yeah. Aha, LPTX changed for CYPH. That's why I cannot find it anymore. CYPH. It is LPTX. Yeah, LPTX were already traded yesterday. LPTX did the huge job yesterday. We traded twice. Here, as you see, LPTX broke the $2 and went toward the 260 and beyond. We did this chart yesterday with MSGM, guys. It was great trade as well because we broke the 4087. MSGM and LPTX was the best trade yesterday. Thank you for the reminder about LPTX. Yeah, it was great yesterday. Yes, Denise, but great. Yeah, don't even think, brother. Think a bit, but don't overthink. This is the strategy, guys. If you want to make money in trading, thinking is good, strategizing is good. Once you have a good setup, you don't have to think twice, but you have to have a exit strategy, of course. You don't just buy blindly. Be strategic about your buys and sells. But yeah, overthinking is make you lose money, man, and make you lose opportunity in trading. And it's not even trading, even in real life, if you don't act and you overthink, you never do anything. You'll be paralyzed by overthinking. Anyway, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming for today. As a reminder, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and see you all back 30 minutes before the market open tomorrow, as usual. And before that, on our Discord and Bintry on the link in the live chat section, guys, where we always do our update every day. Chart update, analysis for entry and exit. And today we're gonna do update for the top unicorn and add another ones before the market close, of course. So the live streaming will end, but the trading on our community will never end because we're gonna scan the market for the best trade.